Good day everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to change microphone settings on Windows 10. So for example, if you are on Windows 10 still, on Windows 11 it's a little bit different. So as you can see, I need to go to System, Sound, and here I will have my input and microphone settings. If you don't want to do this on Windows 11, of course, we can just open up our control panel and do it from there, which is completely the same on both operating systems. So let us open the control panel. Alright, so this is our control panel, guys. So now what you have to do is just press on Hardware and Sound, then you go Sound, and you will get this pop-up window. And in here, guys, you just go to the Recording tab, and in here you'll have all of the list of your available microphones. And in here you will have all of the microphones that are now plugged in into your system. So as you can see, I have my default device and default microphone, that I now use. And as you can see, as I talk, there's this little green indicator there. And also I have my webcam microphone as well, which I don't use, so I just turned it off. But in here, you just go to Properties. You can also change the name if you wish. And in the Advanced and Levels, we have our adjustments. So on Level, this is going to be your pretty much volume, so how loud your microphone is. And in Advanced, you can just choose which kind of quality you wish, and other settings that are not really that much important. So that's pretty much how this is done, guys. Enjoy. If this video helped you out, like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.